Got double vision now. Blue and green budgie double vision. There he goes. He went flying inside. Stupid green budgie, eh? Blue, you wouldn't do something daft like that. Again, he's done that a few times now. You can't go inside the TV. Confused. Oh, he's trying to go in.
You're only there,
Trying to go inside the TV. Which is real? Which is fiction? See, this is fake news. You don't know the difference between what's reality and what's fiction. This is what the governments of the politicians lying to the budgies for. They don't know the difference between reality and fiction. Humans are the same. They don't know the difference either between what's real and what's not. For decades, politicians have been lying about everything. So now no one knows what's real and what's not real. That's how Trump gets elected. Because there is no truth anymore. George Orwell knew what was coming. There is no longer any truth. There never was. It was all fiction, a story. The budgies understand it now. You got a taste of it. The budgies don't know what's real and what's not. Eh?
Because nothing is real.
Nothing is real. Yeah?